Everybody, welcome to week 4, TRA 3035, and today I'm going to go over what's expected for week 4 and some of the things to look for. Alright, we have a Kaiser Live reminder for tonight at 7 p.m. And if you tried to order your textbook, the textbook says that it's back ordered at the Kaiser University bookstore. However, go ahead and place your order so that when they receive them, supposedly at the end of the week, they will get them shipped out and to you before the start of class. I will be your instructor for those of you who, it's all of you actually because I checked it today, are moving over to the next class, 4234, and that's going to be warehouse operations and inventory management. And then week 3, I don't know why that's still there. And then you should have already submitted your paper to the OWL. And if you haven't received your feedback yet, be on the lookout for that. When you get it, open the attachment, save it to your computer, then upload it to the week 3 assignment so that I can go ahead and grade them. And I'll be grading this evening and tomorrow with everything for week 3 and get that done. Alright, so for week 4, you are to read chapters 12 and 13, relatively easy chapters. Your discussion this week. Sorry, my computer's going slow today for some reason. Scroll down to week 4. Alright, so over the past 4 weeks we've talked a lot about the different modes of transportation. Think about these different about the different modes of transportation and how you think we can make these transportation modes more environmentally friendly or green, as well as the supply chain. Look online to see what kind of logistics and transportation companies have already incorporated a more environmentally friendly system, and share your findings with your fellow students as well as your thoughts on the subject. So this week is fairly easy as far as the discussion. I know you guys have a lot going on trying to get the paper done. Alright, back to week 4. You also have your comprehensive final. There's 50 multiple choice questions. Once you click on begin, you will have 3 hours to complete the exam, at which time your work will be saved and automatically submitted for grading. If you don't know the answer, don't spend too much time on it. Move on, answer the other questions, go back to the other question, and complete the exam. Your post test, and again, you know, this is an open book test, so you can look it up. There's no reason to not answer the question. And then take your post test. As I said at the beginning of the course, the pre-test measures what you knew at the beginning of the course. Post test measures how much you learned or retained over the last 4 weeks. And then your internet research project, like I said, your rough draft should be completed, submitted to the OWL, and then your results should be, the suggestions should be uploaded to week 3 internet project assignment. And then on week 4, you want to incorporate those changes into your final draft and then upload it to this section here, the internet research project for week 4 assignment. And then that will bring you to the end of week 4 and the end of this course, and then we move on to the next one. It's amazing how quick this has gone. Remember that your final draft, you should have a separate title page. No abstract is needed. It should be 3 to 5 pages, double spaced, no more than 12 pitch font, Times New Roman. And your citations and references should be in the proper APA formatting, and your references should also be on a separate reference page. Don't forget your conclusion. I've been reading the papers as I go through and check the owl's remarks, and they look pretty good so far. So I'm not done doing that yet, but so what I have looked at, the papers that I have looked at have been fairly well done. All right, so that is the week in review. If you have any questions, as always, give me a call or shoot me an email. Have a good week.